and she had that little gummy thing.
The wrapper won't come off this.
She'll eat it.
She'll eat it.
But you will.
I think you gave
Hurry
her.
up before April gets back up here.
Hurry up.
Just let her eat it.
She eats plastic, she'll die.
I eat plastic all the time.
Me too. She's a little girl. Don't care that you're... Yeah, I'll find you. What?
Hurry.
What do you want, a cookie?
Or a brownie. Or some chips. We'll tell her to bring us up some chips. Say she's hungry or something. Hurry, 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 hurry! I didn't get it! No,
Now tell me what's up. She's not bringing home candy cane. She is not gonna sleep tonight. Oh my god. I hate you all.
That's about number 3.
Yeah, we gave her
That's
3.
about number 3.